In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bills in Zoho Books. If you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to streamline this process, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently create and manage bills with ease, all from the Zoho Books platform. Let's get started by first navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where everything is laid out clearly for easy navigation. This dashboard acts as your command center for all things related to your business finances. Now, look to the left side of the screen and find the Purchases section. Give it a click. This will take you to a new page dedicated to all purchase-related transactions. Next, we're going to click on Bills. This option is where we dive into creating and managing the expenses your business incurs. So go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on the Bills page, look for an option that reads Create a Bill. This is the button that allows you to add new expenses into your records. Click on it and you'll find a new window appearing, prompting you to enter bill details. To start crafting your new bill, click on the New Bill option. This will open a fresh form where you can input all the necessary details of your bill. It's essential to ensure all information is accurate during this step to keep your records straight. First up, you'll need a vendor name. Click on Vendor Name and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select a vendor you've previously recorded or add a new one if it's your first transaction with them. Once you've made your choice, the vendor details will automatically fill in. Next, move on to the bill number section. This is crucial for future reference, making it easier to track and identify each bill. Make sure this number is unique to avoid confusion or overlapping in records. Still in the same form, find the order number field and click on it. This number is typically provided by your vendor and will act as a secondary reference point for both parties. Within this setup, you'll also need to input the bill date. This date should reflect when the bill was issued. Adjacent to this, you have the Due Date section. Here, specify the deadline for when payment is expected. This helps in better managing cash flow and avoiding late fees. Towards the middle, there's a subject area where you can add a brief description or summary of what the bill is about. This can be helpful for quick reviews or when discussing specific bills. Before concluding, you need to fill in the item table with all items or services included in this bill. Double-check each entry to ensure everything is captured correctly. Once every field is populated and reviewed, navigate to the bottom and hit Save as Open. This action finalizes your entry and saves the bill in your account records, remaining open until you've made decisions about its payment or further actions. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've learned how to efficiently create bills in Zoho Books, ensuring that your business expenses are well organized and accounted for. Remember to regularly review and update your records for maximum financial transparency. Happy bookkeeping!